Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to show you something that you would have never even thought of, but now you're going to need. This is the Full Circle Crumb Runner. I had never even thought about anything like this. I didn't even know it existed until my mom gave it to me. It's a squeegee and a little broom for your countertops in your kitchen. Crumbs are so annoying when you're making toast, which we do every day for our toddler. They get on the counter and then you gotta try and sweep them off with your hand, but this makes it so much easier and now you don't have to get crumbs stuck to your hand. I love how cute it is. It's really nice and small, so it's great and easy to store in a drawer, and it stands up along the edge is what I do in my drawer. It's also great for when you do spill on the counter because this squeegee just pushes it right along to wherever so that it doesn't leak into areas you don't want it to be. If you have a lot of spills on your counter or crumbs constantly in your way, you need this Full Circle sweeper. But that's just my point of view.